Hello, I'm gonna try to show you how to open up the Manker E02II headlamp, hopefully in a non-destructive way. And as you can see, I already did that, so let's just stop on this photo for a moment. First, you will have to unscrew the body from the head, and I did that using the pliers and device, and you can use some tape to protect the anodization to the hard part. You will have to use some heat and apply it to this metal retaining ring. I used a small conical tip, and you will have to apply the heat just along there. I set my soldering iron to 330 degrees Celsius. Use a bit of solder on your tip to help with heat conduction, and don't apply it for too long. You will feel the head is getting warm. Then you'll try to pry it open with the screwdriver, and you have to pry it from there, from inside. And the screwdriver has to be very stiff. I used a 0.5 millimeter one. It has to be very stiff to not to bend and destroy the other components on the PCB. And as you can see, I just managed to make a tiny scratch on the TIR lens. There it is. It's not too big, you can live with that. And here you can see, after removing the screw that holds the PCB, you can get it out. And I forgot to tell you that you should desolder the wires of the positive side of the battery. And here you can see the part that I managed not to save, but it's fortunately not so crucial. It just holds the positive battery PCB.